I know this ain't related to my Southern Rebuilds channel, but Southern Rebuilds here, my dad and I pretty much got some cars a year apart. They're both Mitsubishi. Well, I hit a deal with this one. Do y'all think that this is gonna be totaled or repaired? What do y'all think? Still runs, but now it seems like it's got a misfire. The suspension's a little messed up, and when you open the door, you hear this. So, tell me what y'all think. I know, like I said, it's not related to my channel. I also have part 3 of that oil change with Alex coming out today. It'll be uploaded here shortly. I gotta go transport some cars today. And then I also want to give y'all an update on that Honda Accord y'all seen me do on a video the other day. So, update on that is the man I was working on that car for. We found out he needs a crankshaft sensor, and he does not want to do it. So, he doesn't have enough money right now in order to do that. So, kind of can't do the job unless he wants it done. And also, the car does now have, if it'll ever focus, 82,048 miles. But no engine light. But the tow truck's about to be here. Southern Rebuilds out. Let me know what y'all think. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Me and Alex is still trying to make it to 500 subscribers, so if y'all could help us out, I'd certainly appreciate it. Alright, y'all have a good one.